السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا إلى مركز العلوم والحكمة Remote Study. Welcome to the first part of our lesson series from the book titled Arabic for Beginners. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. التعبير expression in Arabic. التعبير باللغة العربية expression in Arabic. التعبير باللغة العربية. This all about how we can express ourselves in Arabic. المدرس teacher. ما اسمك? ما اسمك? What is your name? Never say ما اسمك. ما اسمه. That E you must drop it because of the presence of ma before it. Rather, masmuk. Masmuk. What is your name? Either you say masmuka or masmuk. Masmuka or masmuk. Both are correct. At-tilmiz, pupil. Ismi Mahmud. My name is Mahmud. Ya mudarris, teacher. Ismi Mahmud. My name is Mahmud. Ya mudarris, teacher. The reason why you said ismi with E by not dropping the alifun with kasra is because you are starting with it. Once there is a letter before it with fataha or kasra, so you drop it. Ismi Mahmud. My name is Mahmud. For instance, what's me and my name? Wa. One with fataha. What's me and my name? Wasmi Mahmud, and my name is Mahmud. So we drop the alif on. But if we are starting with the alif, so we include it, meaning we read it. Ismi Mahmud, my name is Mahmud. Ya mudarris, teacher. Al mudarris, teacher. Masmi, what is my name? Masmi, what is my name? The yawn at the end means you are referring to yourself. التلميذ pupil. Ismuka mudarris. Ismuka your name. Mudarris is teacher. Or Ismuka Yaqub. Ismuka Ibrahim. Ismuka Ahmad. So Ismuka mudarris, your name is teacher. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Al-mudarris, teacher. Masmuhu. Masmuhu. What is his name? At-tilmid, pupil. Ismuhu Ahmad. His name is Ahmad. Ya mudarris, teacher. Ismuhu Ahmad. His name is Ahmad. Ya mudarris, teacher. Al-mudarris, teacher. Masmuha. What is her name? Masmuha. What is her name? At-tilmid, pupil. Ismuha Fatima. Ismuha Fatima. Her name is Fatima. Ya mudarris, teacher. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Now develop your vocabulary parts. Wahid number 1. Ismun, a name. Ismun, a name. Or ismun, a name. Ismun, name. Ithnan, number 2. Ismuka, your name. Talking to a single male person. Ismuka, your name. Thalatha, number 3. Ismuki, your name. Talking to a single female person. Ismuki, your name. Arba'a, number 4. Ismuhu, his name. Ismuhu, his name. Sitta, number 6. Ismi, my name. Ismi, my name. The yawn at the end indicate ownership. It means you are talking about yourself. Sab'a, number 7. Al-ismu, the name. Al-ismu, the name. When you say kitabun, it means a book. But when you say al-kitab, it means the book. Qalamun, a pen. Al-qalamu, the pen. Daftarun, a notebook. Ad-daftaru, the notebook. Masjidun, a mosque. Al-masjidu, the mosque. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. ثمانية number 8. الأسماء, the names. الأسماء, the names. تسعة number 9. ما, what. ما, what, as in مسمك, مسمه, مسموها. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. أحد عشر 11. أحد عشر 11. من, who. من, who, as in من أنت, who are you. من هو, who is he. من هي, who is she. من أنا, who am I. من أنا, who am I. اثنا عشر 12. من, from. من, from, as in أنا من Nigeria, I am from Nigeria. أنا من Lagos, I am from Lagos. أنا من Abuja, I am from Abuja. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.